today is based on HIV and AIDS. What are we talking about? We want to talk about HIV because many people are afraid of it. It's not even as though people think. If you are not in the hospital, you will not know that HIV is not more like that. Let's explain what HIV is. HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. What I want to underline in this definition is immune deficiency. HIV as a disease does not even have a sickness on its own. So what HIV does is to come into your system and attack your immune system. Once that it brings your immune system down, your immune system compromised, then any sickness that's coming will take over. So what are we trying to say? What we try to let you people know is that it's good to go and check yourself. Many people is afraid of going to hospital to check their condition. Even those that are coming here to do normal tests, they are sick, they come to hospital to see a doctor. You will tell the person to go and do HIV test that is free. They will say, no, I'm not HIV positive, I'm negative. It's not written on forehead. You have to check yourself, then you know whether you're positive or you're negative. Even if you're positive, just like malaria, just like now, HIV is just like malaria parasite. So because if you test yourself and they are positive, they will guide you and tell you what and what to do. So that if you know on time that you're positive, better for you. You take your drugs, just take your drugs, important. Take it as you are directed. Then another one is that if some people will come here and test positive, they will tell you that they know they know that they don't have it. Maybe one of his uncle or her uncle go to native doctor and say, let them say that it's HIV. So the person will say that what is doing him or her is not HIV. That you know that is poison. That is poison. The person will carry the HIV and go, thinking that is poison. Before they will bring the person back here, either the kidney or the liver will be damaged. So it's very, very good to go to hospital and check yourself. Check yourself so that any sickness that you see in your system, you can treat it early. It's better, prevention is better than cure. Let's say how to prevent HIV. Or even all of us in the whole world knows how to prevent HIV. So sharp objects, you know how you handle sharp objects, but the main way that we contact HIV is through sex. So some people will tell you that they don't have girlfriend, they don't have boyfriend, that maybe it's from saloon, barbing saloon or something like that. So, but whether you have boyfriend or you don't have boyfriend, you know area that you can go, what you can handle, that you can get such sickness. So I'm not even trying to say that that sickness is the end of the world. It's not. It's the least sickness that we have now. Something like cancer, HIV is far better than it. Diabetes, high BP, HIV far better than all the sickness that I have mentioned. So, my dear viewers, if you see any, sometimes sef you will not even see any symptoms. Some symptoms you might not even see any, but it does not mean that you don't have HIV in your system. Any government hospital is free for the test. If you go to any government hospital, the test is free. You can go anywhere you are. Government hospital test is free. If you go to a private, you will pay. Private lab or private hospital, you will pay. But if you come to a government hospital, it's free. Before the HIV enter is you get yourself, you start taking your drugs, your immune system, because what the HIV is targeting in your system is your immune system. Once it bring it down, it will enter is, and that time you might not survive it.
Another thing we want to discuss is about birth control. That is and someone that is HIV patient, can the person give birth to a baby? Can the person give birth safely without transferring the disease from mother to the offspring? So that's what we want to know now. Thank
This question is very, very important because many people don't know that a mother that is HIV positive, if is very well taken care of, cannot transfer it to the child. If you are HIV positive and you are pregnant, the only thing you need to know, you need to do is go to government hospital. They will educate you on how to do. And anytime you are going to deliver your child, don't go to a village or any nurse to deliver your child. Go to that hospital that know your health condition. Deliver your child because there is a drug that they will put in your child's mouth immediately after birth that will control anything in the baby system that from that stage the baby will not be positive. Then the mother the mother will be taking her drug very, very important so that the mother will breastfeed her child without passing it through to the child. Then after 6 weeks, you bring the baby to the hospital for checkup. So I hope I understand your
The
question.
question I want to ask now is that if two couples are living together and either the husband or the wife is a HIV positive, can they live together as a husband and wife without the other person that is HIV negative contaminating it?
In a case where one partner is HIV and the other person is negative, HIV positive and the other person is negative, if that person that is positive is taking his or her drug, very, very important, he or she cannot pass it to the partner because it's happening here. Some couple that are here taking their receiving their drugs, and the other person that is negative, as far let me say about 5 years ago, up till now, the other person is still negative. So I'm telling you what I know, it's not what I hear. I'm telling you what I'm very, very sure of. So there's no need of you being scared that my wife is positive, then I will just divorce her or break the marriage. In this case, you don't need to do that because you can stay with your husband or your wife being a positive patient, and the wife or husband will not even transfer it to you. Thank you.
Because minus being a content creator, I think I don't. This is my first time of having such information from her today. Because for me, HIV is one of the major disease that I'm always scared of. So even if I meet someone that, even if I like a girl and the person is a HIV positive, so I don't think I will have the mind to even marry the person or to continue the relationship. But from the knowledge I have got from her, I think the fear or the phobia that I have from HIV has now reduced to some extent. Please, I would like you to press like and subscribe button. It will help in the YouTube algorithm, and at the same time it will help YouTube to send notification anytime I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.